It has been excellent. It has been excellent. We went into this with another vendor to start out with. We had a lot of questions and we didn't like the answers, and we had a lot of confrontations. Thankfully, Jason from Soundbox came in at the right time and was able to help us understand the complexities of what we were looking for. I think our installation was a little bit unique because it was behind a bulkhead, and I didn't want to see any speakers in the sanctuary, so our request was slightly different from the norm. And Soundbox was able to step up and help us to get it, and it sounds excellent. Well, it was critically important, because for how we do church and how we do services, audio is a prime component of what we do. And we have suffered for years with bad audio. We had, we got by with what we had, with what we could afford. So when we were doing this project, we wanted to go for a dream. We wanted to go for something that really will reflect, not just the look of the space, but the space had to have a good look. It had to have a good sound. It had to have a good feel for me. So sound is a critical component to that. So Soundbox was able to help us to marry that dream of getting all these elements into the space and getting it right. I think they did.